Ouch.
Hey, glad you came back. Hey, check it out. Today I'm making bang bang shrimp. I've been wanting it for a while. I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's real easy to do. Now it depends. If you go to a classic Chinese joint, you get bang bang shrimp, or bonefish grill is bang bang shrimp, which they say they're the originators of it in Florida. But anyway, I'll show you how to do that. Now also, if you go to PF Chang, right, they have what's called dynamite shrimp, which is pretty much the same thing except they add eggs to the batter. Okay, and the cool part about it is you can make this how you want it. The key ingredients are mayo, right, sriracha, and sweet chili sauce for the sauce. Now, how you season the shrimp is up to you, but the main portion is that outer sauce, that mayo-based sauce that's going to be on the shrimp. That's what makes it the bang bang. And I'm putting it on top of a salad. Okay, so this is what we got. We have our happy hour version. How you doing? Yeah, right. And then we have our basic appetizer version. I'm gonna have a bit of that right now. Hopefully, Mama Shaw don't get mad at me, but but whatever. Let me have one. The shrimp. Mm. Crispy. Sweet. And the sauce can be used as a dressing for the salad. So keep that in mind when you're making it. Watch how I make it. Make it for yourself. Hope you enjoy it. Now, what I like about using these things is, look, my drink's at the bottom for happy hour. Appetizer on top. Man, best of both worlds. I can carry my food and my drink with me. And I can detach it when I need it. This is really good, for real. Right to go. Oh, that zombie. Woo! Enjoy your day.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
Okay, so real simple. We have some buttermilk. Got a little slap your mama for some seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings you want to spice this marinade up. And then we have our shrimp. They've been washed, peeled, and deveined. These are the 16 to 20 count, like I normally use. So they're the jumbo ones. See that? Right? And so what that means is that for every pound, you're gonna get 16 to 20 of them. Now I have 12 of them in here, so I got just under a pound, right? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the buttermilk, pour it over the shrimp, and then we're gonna add a couple teaspoons of our spices. In this case being the Slap Your Mama. And we're gonna be putting enough buttermilk in here to cover the shrimp. So depending on how much shrimp you use, that's going to dictate how much buttermilk you're going to use. You're going to slap your mama. A couple teaspoons of that in here. There you go. Then seal her up. Gonna mix. Okay, let the air out. Into a bowl, and this is going to go into the refrigerator. All right, now they're in the refrigerator. You want this to marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours minimum. Okay, you can go overnight, even up to 24 hours. You know, with the buttermilk and the shrimp and your spices. The thing is, you want to get those seasonings that flavor throughout the shrimp. That's why we're doing this. And another added bonus to marinating the shrimp in dairy, it will remove some of the gaminess, if you can even call it that, the seafood smell. It will remove some of that, as well, just like it does any shellfish or any fish for that matter. You can put it in milk, buttermilk, and it'll do that. And it's going to help it keep its juiciness if you cook it right, okay? Because in essence, you're brining it. So when you're brining it, it's going to take the flavors from the outside and it's going to make it match the flavors on the inside and vice versa. So they're just going to be going back and forth from inside, outside of the meat, protein, in this case shrimp. So all those flavors are going to sit in there. That's why we're going to do it for minimum 2 to 3 hours. Now me, I'm probably going to go a good 4 or 5 hours in the refrigerator. Please let this marinate in the refrigerator. Don't do this on the counter, okay? You're going to have a bad day and people are going to get sick. Now, so do this in the refrigerator. So I'll see you in a few hours. Okay, so our shrimp is done marinating. Been there a few hours. We're going to strain that here in a bit. Here we have 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch, right? We have 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. We have about 3/4 cup of mayonnaise that we're going to need for the sauce. We have about 1 tablespoon of sriracha and about 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Okay. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to strain our shrimp, and then we'll work on putting the batter together and then the sauce. Okay, so for the shrimp, have our colander here. We're just going to pour the shrimp in and just let it drain. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Now, while this is draining, let's get our breading together. Now for the breading, it's just a matter of taking our cornstarch, add it to the bag, okay, all that in there. Okay. Our flour in. Yes. Seal it up or close the bag, and then we're going to mix it. All right. Get all mixed in. Okay. All right, now work on our sauce. Okay. Spatula. In a bowl, we're going to add our mayo. You know, use a spatula so you can get it all out of your container here, all out of your ramekin. Our sriracha in. Chili sauce in. We're going to mix this all up. Okay, now we add our shrimp to our dry batter. Seal it up. And take it out. All right, now the shrimp, Now that we've breaded it, on the stove I have about 3 cups of oil in my wok heating up. Now you want that oil to be around 350 to 360 degrees before you add the shrimp to it. We're going to cook these shrimp, deep frying them for about 3 minutes. That's all you need, right? It's not going to get heavily dark brown because the majority of the dry batter is cornstarch. So it's going to have a light, kind of like a tempura type of color. All right? So when the oil is ready, we'll get to it. Okay, let's check the temp. 357, 358, 360, we're good. Now we're going to put our shrimp in here. Like I said, we're going to cook them for 3 minutes. That's all you need to cook them for, 3 minutes. You're deep frying them, that's all you need. All right. Okay, now I'm going to take these guys off, put them up here on the rack, let them drain. This rack is good to have if you have a wok and you're deep frying some things. Now you can just put the stuff up here and let it drain right back into the oil. Go. Let's plate this bad boy up. So now before we plate this up, we just take our shrimp and we're going to toss them in our sauce. So I'm gonna grab the shrimp. Okay. Now we have our sauce. We're gonna put some, just a little, in with our shrimp here. Okay. Now we just want to toss it. Get the shrimp nice and covered. You need to add more, by all means, add more. When you're making it for you, right? All right, let's plate up. So you get some leafy green in here. All right, place the leafy greens in there. Then got our appetizer version. You get a little bit of leafy green. Not much, just a little bit. Okay. There is a method to my madness. Bacardi, zombie, in. There we go. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. Really stack them up there. Okay. There we go. Get some garnish on this bad boy. Green onions. The green onion. And on top of that, double down with some chives. All right. Some more chive on them. See what we got. All right, so here we have it. Oh yeah, bang bang shrimp. Yeah, look at this. You got Bacardi rum at the bottom, the blue zombie. Oh yeah, look at this sight. Ooh-wee. Now this how you gonna start off happy hour right here. Oh man. But riddle me this. You saw the bowl before, and you see this one. Guess which one Mama Shaw's gonna have? I'll give you one guess. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Hey, if you're not subscribed to us, hey, click the subscribe button, hit the bell. Now we have room for you. Our arms are open, and we'll leave the light on for you even at night, so you can find us in the dark. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram. Put my name in, Shrashira. Look for the gray cat, and let's connect. Having said that, hey, it's bang bang time on this shrimp. Mama Shaw's ready, and I'm ready, and we got to get into this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, try this for yourself.